Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new here. Today I'm doing a fun unboxing and review haul with you all of my pre-loved Hermes Evelyne bag. The size of this bag is TGM, so it's been discontinued in this size, but you can still get it on the pre-loved market. And then there's a bit of a story behind how I ended up with this bag. So yeah, let's get right into the video and let's get started. Okay, so here she is. It's in a generic dust bag. So this one that I purchased didn't have any dust bag or box. The price was very good though, so I was willing to accept that because you can really just buy the box and dust bag for a lot of luxury bags just for under $100 even. So that's not a deal breaker for me usually, but here she is. So on camera, this doesn't look as huge as it is, but I'll show you all how it looks on. This is a very large bag. So the exact measurements are about 15 inches by 15 inches. And I believe about like 4 or 5 inches in depth. So it's very large, and I did not mean to buy this size of the bag. I actually got this on a pre-loved website, and the seller advertised this as the GM size, and the measurements of the GM are 12 by 12 approximately, a little bit smaller than that even. Yeah, it's just completely different size. I don't know, maybe they thought it was the GM, so they just put measurements for the GM on their listing, but this is definitely the TGM, and it's just ginormous. Yeah, you can't tell on camera at first when I'm showing you like right here, but yeah, when I put it on, you'll see what I mean. It's just a very big bag, and that might be good for some people. Some people are looking for like a big bag for like every day, if you have that kind of lifestyle. But yeah, for me personally, this is just too big, so I don't think I'll end up keeping it, but maybe I'll change my mind. It's kind of growing on me a little. So with that being said, this review will be on the TGM Evelyne size. This was also advertised as the 3rd generation, which I'm pretty sure that's true. But yeah, I was told this is 3rd generation and the color is Etoupe. And if that's wrong, please let me know, but that's as far as I know from what I got. This one was in pre-loved condition, like I was saying, and there were some flaws, so it's not perfect, but it was pretty good condition. This is with the gold hardware, so I love that. I wear more gold jewelry, so for me that's kind of more what I'm looking for, but I'm honestly not too picky, so I'm okay with either. But this is what the gold hardware looks like on the buckles and on the adjustable strap. So this one is adjustable. Another thing I noticed from this one was that the Evelyne foiling here was very faded, but you can still see it right there. It's gold as well. I've been searching for this bag in this color and or in pink. I love pink. Pink is so hard to find, so I was really happy when I saw this color, and I really was hoping this was the actual GM size. So this is the back. This is, I believe, genuine suede, and the back pocket fits a ton. And then, so that's great. Most of the back pockets of bags are just like really tight and like they don't fit a lot. The inside was fairly good condition. There's like a little bit of stains. I mean, suede, you can't, it's hard to show on camera because it looks stained, but it's like more like just like if you rub it, it's like, you know, you get what I'm saying. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It's a very, very simple bag. It's you know, it was originally like the saddle kind of bag for riding horses, since they're an equestrian brand. Let me show you what the size is, and then later I'll talk about the price. Okay, so this is how it looks at one of its pretty much longest adjustable lengths, and I think it goes even longer than this. So it adjusts really far, and if you know, it's very compatible with any height really. So this is kind of like ridiculously long. I don't know if any, I mean, maybe if you like that messenger bag look, this would be a good length, but even as crossbody, this length is just too long. But yeah, so I'm just trying to show you all how adjustable it is. It's very, very adjustable, so that's great. So if I shorten it to be about this far apart on this strap, this is a really great shoulder length if you want to have it hang and just leave it on your shoulder like this. I think this is a nice length for the bag. And this is what it looks like on. Definitely, you know, it really doesn't seem that big on camera, but it's just so big. I told you guys the measurements are 15 by 15. I just don't know how I could put that much stuff inside other than if it was for work or a laptop, which I don't wanna, I'm not planning on wearing this for work or anything like that. And then crossbody, perfect crossbody length too. So I would say like that length with these adjustable straps being like about 5 or 6 inches apart maybe is great for crossbody and on the shoulder if you are looking for this type of bag. I think this is best for like a mom or somebody who does want to wear this for business, or somebody who really likes to store a lot of things in their everyday bag, because this is definitely more of an everyday look and less so like definitely not for going out or anything like that. Okay, and then if you bring this all the way down here, this is basically the shortest it goes, I think. And that goes a little bit higher up to here. I think it looks a little bit better, a little bit more dressy when you shorten the strap like that. So definitely think that looks good. And again, with a more structured organizer, it's gonna look less slouchy, but if you like that slouchy look, you can leave it without the organizer. These are removable, so you can change this out with something a little bit more different. If you don't want the canvas look, you can change it to like a generic strap, maybe a cute gold chain, or like you can add some pearls on here and make it like more bedazzled. You can wear it kind of like on your the nook of your arm, and that might get really heavy with this size of bag, but that is possible. In case also, if you didn't know, you haven't seen this like in person or anything, the holes do go like all the way through, so it isn't just like decor. So you can kind of see whatever you have in here, that kind of color shines through a little bit. So I've seen people like put like a scarf in between kind of to like make it less see-through. I mean, the see-through look is not like, it's not like so dramatic. You can see it like exactly what it is, but yeah, just in case you are taking pictures or something like that, you can see through the holes here. Yeah, this is a very simple bag. I just kind of want to do a quick review and share with you all kind of like how it looks on. And I know this is the largest size, which is discontinued from retail, but if you are interested, they are on the pre-loved. And so for me, I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I think I have to return it just because it wasn't what I had in mind. It wasn't what I had purchased, or it wasn't what was advertised to me. I really am looking for either the PM or the GM. For me, I don't wanna wear that much stuff on me all day. And then if it's not full with a bunch of stuff, it gets even slouchier, and it just covers like half of my body. Like it's a little bit hard to see on camera because it does look like pretty good on camera, but in person it's just like huge. As for price, I know I'm not keeping the bag, but it was a really great deal. I got it from Tradesy, and I feel bad, the seller was negotiable, but again, that this isn't exactly what was advertised. But yeah, they had it for about $21. They gave it to me for $19.50, and I had a coupon for Tradesy that was $200 off, so that ended up being a really great deal. Unfortunately, it wasn't what I was expecting, so yeah, I just wanted to let you know, like, you can get a really good deal on some of these pre-owned bags. I do think the Evelyne's a really great entry-level bag, and regular retail price for an Evelyne, for this bag, it's actually $4,500 when it was available. So it was very expensive, and I know, you know, as the sizes go up, they get more expensive, but unfortunately, this size is just so big that I think it does end up selling for less on the pre-owned market itself. But when it was new and when it was in the stores, it was selling for way more. So the GM one is about $3,800 retail, and the PM is about $3,375. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep looking and see if I can get something in the size that I actually wanted, the PM or the GM. I hope it's pink, or if not, I'd love to get this Etoupe bag again in one of those more wearable sizes. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this video all. I hope this helped, and I hope if you're interested in the Evelyne bag, this gave you some ideas. Please let me know what you think. Do you think that the bag is like a good size and that I should keep it? Or do you agree that it's just too big and it's just not for every day? Please let me know, and please give this video a like and subscribe and hit the notification button if you want to see when I upload new videos. Thanks so much everyone for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!